2010 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, airbags, automatic transmission, cruise control, FWD, heated driver's seat, compass, power windows, passenger airbag, trip computer, remote power door locks, speed proportional power steering, daytime running lights, tachometer, leather seats, heads-up display, heated passenger seat, rear wiper, power heated outside mirrors. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Your new ride is just a phone call away.